Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can place a market buy order on Trading 212. So first of all, simply launch your application and then log in into your account. So when you do so, on the home page itself, you are going to see a bunch of different list of stocks. So you need to simply select that particular stock itself in which you want to basically place the buy order. So for example, let's say I want to place the buy order here in uh, ASML. So over here it is going to basically show you the current price fluctuation. So over here you just have to tap on the option of buy, then simply provide the amount in pounds that you want to spend in order to purchase that particular share. Afterwards, you need to tap on the option of review order, review all of these details, and tap on the option of send buy order. So as soon as you do this, on the market price itself, you have successfully purchased this particular stock's shares. So that's how you can place a market order. Now, if you are using a CFD account, so you need to simply tap on the option of CFDs. Over here, you need to go back on the home page and again you need to select the stock. After selecting the stock, you are going to see the option of buy, so you need to simply tap on it. Now over here you are going to see the value of the stock, so you can change the value and simply tap on the option of confirm buy in order to purchase it on the market price. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.